Students, the next topic is concatenated transformation about any arbitrary point. Up till now, we have seen this concatenated transformation or single geometric transformation about the origin. Here, we can concatenate or we can achieve the transformation about any arbitrary point other than the origin. That arbitrary point may be one of the point of this geometrical entity or it may be other than this geometrical entity. In this case, we have select a triangle PQR as one of the geometric entity having coordinates P, Q and R. Now this point P is any arbitrary point in the vicinity of this particular diagram or geometric entity. That point may be on this diagram or other than this particular diagram, and this is the origin. Now we have to rotate this particular entity about this arbitrary point. Now this transformation can be achieved in 3 steps. See here. We have seen the rotation of that particular entity about origin, means we have rotated this entity about origin. In this case, we are going to rotate this entity about any arbitrary point other than the origin. Now while rotating this entity about origin, before we have taken a single rotation matrix as this particular matrix. Here we are rotating the entity about arbitrary point other than origin. This can be achieved in 3 basic steps. Now step number 1. Step number 1, in that we have to bring this arbitrary point towards the origin. Means we are coinciding this original point to the origin. We are coinciding the arbitrary point to the origin. Means first we have to translate this original point, this arbitrary point to the origin by a distances, this tx and ty. See here, before translating this arbitrary point to the origin, existing distances are tx and ty. So in step number 1, we are translating this arbitrary point from its original position to the origin by these distances. Before translating, the distances are plus tx and plus ty. See here, sequence is very, very important. From its original position, we are translating to the origin. So what will be the distances? In that case, these distances, जर आपल्याला हा आर्बिटरी पॉइंट इथं घ्यायचा असेल तर आपल्याला डिस्टन्सेस म्हणजे इथून इकडे कव्हर करायचे, म्हणजे तो मायनस tx ला जाईल. त्याच्यानंतर हा पॉइंट आपल्याला इथून इकडे y डायरेक्शनला खाली घ्यायचा आहे, म्हणजे हा ty जो आहे तो मायनस ty होणार. मीन्स दॅट फर्स्ट ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन, म्हणजे हा पॉइंट जर आपण इकडे कोइन्साइड केला तर तुम्हाला ही फर्स्ट स्टेप मिळेल. मीन्स वी हॅव translated this arbitrary point or shifted this arbitrary point from this position to this position. ही आपली ओरिजिनल डायग्राम होती. इथून आपण काय केलं, इथून इथं ट्रान्सलेट केला. मग ते डिस्टन्स किती होतं, इथून इकडे शिफ्ट होणार म्हणजे हे मायनस tx होणार आणि हे मायनस ty होणार. सो दॅट फर्स्ट ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन और ट्रान्सलेशन मॅट्रिक्स विल बी t equals to 1 0 minus tx 0 1 minus ty and 0 0 1. So in first step we are translating or to translate the object such that arbitrary point coincides the origin. Means this point, arbitrary point we have coincided with the origin by distances minus tx and ty. So this is the first step. Okay. Now, after coinciding the arbitrary point with the origin, the next step is rotate the object about origin. Means what? See here, we have translated or shifted the arbitrary point to the origin. The first step. Second step, about this origin. See here, arbitrary point and origin both are coinciding at the origin only. So we are rotating the graphic element, the triangle, by a given angle. In this case, the given angle, suppose theta, it may be 30 degree. In which direction? In anti-clockwise direction. So we will rotate this particular triangle about origin or about arbitrary point, because both are coinciding points by a given angle. So rotate the object about origin. So this will be the rotation matrix. Cos theta minus sin theta 0. Sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1. Now after rotation about the origin, we will retranslate or we will shift this arbitrary point to its original position. Means what? We have shifted the origin, the arbitrary point to its original position. Now while retranslating, म्हणजे आपल्याला हा इथून इकडे शिफ्ट करायचा आहे, मग त्या केस मध्ये हे डिस्टन्सेस इथून इकडे जाणार, म्हणजे हा 0 चा प्लस tx होणार आणि हा प्लस ty होणार. So that matrix will be 1 0 tx 0 1 minus ty 0 0 1. Means we will just retranslate the arbitrary point to its original position by taking a distances plus tx and ty. So I am repeating again. This is the original diagram, original graphic element. It's any arbitrary point other than the figure, or that point may be on the diagram itself. So in first step, we are coinciding this arbitrary point to the origin. So after coinciding, we will rotate it. After getting the required rotation, we will retranslate to its original position. So there are three matrices. First matrix, translate by distances minus tx and minus ty. Then rotation at a given angle. Then this will be the inverse transformation or inverse translation. Means we have to retranslate the arbitrary point to its original position. We are retranslating the original point, means we are retranslating the entire diagram to its original position. So the matrix we will get is 1 0 t plus tx 0 1 minus ty and 0 0 1. So final concatenation matrix we will get is final concatenation or composite geometric transformation or CT matrix. CT matrix, or we can say it's a capital R matrix, which is multiplication of see here we have taken T1, T2 and T3 as a sequence. In this case, that first T1 is that translation matrix by distances minus tx minus ty. Then this one is our rotation matrix, and this one is the inverse translation matrix by distances plus tx and ty. So this is the final rotation matrix about arbitrary point.